Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing some parts I bought recently from Marketplace. They are some Anker engine parts, and I'm going to be using them in future projects. So here we go. This is not a part, but more of a complete engine. It's the Anker M48, and it's a 50cc engine, and it's the same type I use on my Batavus Batafet from 1969. I produced a small video on it before. These are some protection caps which look, well, this one is painted, this one is an original, but it's not an original Batavus. It's, I don't know, maybe Tomos. Cardboard, I love cardboard, plastic, love it even more. That's, I would say, complete clutch. And the pad also looks good, no missing parts, so it's a nice one. Plastic, even more plastic. I love plastic. Flex. Can you see it? I don't know. Maybe. I can. It's another clutch disc. It's a head. It's a low compression one. You also have high compression ones. There's a little lip in this one. There's also one without the lip, and that's the high compression. Okay. But you can always sand them down, and there are also different options. You can buy a head from whatchamacallit, I don't know what their name is. I'm gonna link them down below. It's a website from America, and they I think they took a head from a Poeg, you call it, I believe, Putch in America or England. So yeah, I believe they used that head and either turned it down on the lathe or something like that. And that's even more high compression because the center part falls into the cylinder. Because I will show you later on, it's a very big squish gap. That's another clutch which is fairly complete. And there should be 3 new old stock ones. It looks a little bit old stock, but it also looks a little bit damaged. But who gives a... Flandria, it says. I don't know where it comes from. I know it's a moped brand, but... yeah, well, it's probably new, because it's got all the paint marks on it, as does this one. So I guess they are new old stock. And this one also says Flandria, and it says something below it. Rutoma? I don't know. I'm kind of blind, so no, I'm not. Yeah, that's probably new. Still has the paint marks. Yeah. Okay, so 3 new crankshafts. Okay. There's the other box. cardboard, some cover. It says Anker, so it's an original one. Well, probably. There are new stickers you can get, so this one is an A7. It's a pretty small one. It's even a smaller connection than I usually have, because this is the usual size for an Anker Laura, and this is a little bit smaller, but parts are always welcome. So there's a float inside. That is mine. This is the one I bought. Even some more filter housings, foam, cardboard. It's a 50cc cylinder. Is it a small exhaust? I don't know if it's a small exhaust. It's at least there's a broken bolt. Is it a bolt or is it a tab? That would be even better. Okay, so that's a mission. Yep. Upcoming video. That's a head. It's also a low compression one. Yep. What do we have here? Another clip for your housing. So this is an 824, and it's the right size, and it's about a 10 millimeter, I guess. About. What do we have here? Another crank, and this one is probably used. Yeah, it's used. It's all dirty. Yep. So 3 new ones, one second hand, or third or fifth, I don't know. And another engine. Will you come out? Yes, you will. And is this big port? No, it's also a small port. So there should be multiple sizes of cylinders, but I always seem to find the same one. And this is an S8. Is this the one I want? No, this is not the one I want. Oops. Foam, cardboard, plastic. What is this? Another Carburetor. It's an A11. Very small one. It's about, what is it? 7-8 millimeters? Small. Yep. Another carburetor. It's a very old piston. Another filter housing. Another carburetor. Oh, with a tickler knob, you don't find them a lot. This is the first one I found. I knew they existed, but never found one. And this is an S8A204. Okay. It's also a pretty small one. You can always make them bigger, but it's most of the time much easier just to buy another carburetor. But what does it say? Zeer goede gas. Pretty good gas. Shit, I don't know. I really don't. It's another S8A. And it is too? Yeah, that's another S8A, and someone has drilled it out. And just drilling it out won't make it better. You also have to use a reamer to make the hole less sloppy and the air and the fuel less turbulent. But hey, you can always try. What do you have more? 2 parts left. Well, 1 part in here. It's, you would guess it's breakable because it's wrapped pretty much Oh yeah, I know. Some inlet manifolds and 3 reeds. Come on. Can we move the box? Yes, we can. It's the last one. That one is fucked. Oh, it's even 4. That one is pretty okay. Doesn't look all that bad. Hello, box. That one is done. Oh, maybe you can even see it from the other side of the world without YouTube. Man, that's a gap. Yep, but you can drill them out and then tap it with a very small tap and just turn them around. And this one has been hit. Has a little dent. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe something went wrong in the engine, or well, everything could have happened. Could even happen in packaging, maybe, like the point knocking into there. So yeah, but what you can do, if the reeds are pretty much okay and not dented and not really rusted, you can just flip them around and use some very small nuts, no, not nuts, bolts or screws. Just tap them in there, maybe countersink this plate, because this is a steel plate, and that will fix it. And you can also use some carbon material you can find at most of the moped shops around. And even taking a very thin piece of paper and pulling it behind it, because sometimes there's just some little dirt behind it and you just need to clean it. And something like a cigarette paper or yeah, just a very thin piece of paper. Just yeah. So 1 out of 4. Not bad, and I can fix them like I said, so it's oh yes. Very nice. Some points. How did it look? Well, decent, I would say. Yep. So I guess that's it. It's 4 cranks, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 6 carburetors, couple of manifolds, a couple of filter housings. Are there filters? Yes, 1, none, 1, and other way, another one. So 3 filters, a head, another head, cylinder, that was loud, 2 clutches, well, and the rest. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.